One in 5 U.S. adults suffer from mental illness in any given year, and kids are suffering too. Many are struggling to get access to help, and Mandy Gaither has recommendations from a licensed therapist on what to do if you're having trouble finding a provider.
Across the U.S., demand for mental health treatment is growing.
People are struggling to figure out where to start. What kind of providers exist? What kind of services exist? And how do you go about finding one?
The Association of American Medical Colleges says there aren't nearly enough mental health providers to meet the demand of the nation's growing population. A 2018 analysis showed the workforce of psychiatrists was shrinking and could drop to a projected low of as many as 31,000 psychiatrists in just 2 years. So if you're struggling to get an appointment with a psychiatrist or psychologist, licensed therapist Jody Baumstein says don't limit your search.
Licensed clinical social workers, licensed professional counselors, licensed marriage and family therapists, all of whom can provide that same kind of treatment.
To find a potential therapist, Baumstein suggests pulling up online directories which list providers in your area. Some employers may offer free short-term mental health benefits. Check with private providers on whether they may have clinical interns that can help. If you're going through an insurance provider, go over options with them.
They might reimburse you for a portion of the cost to see an out-of-network provider.
Talk to your primary care provider too, or your child's pediatrician. Baumstein says they may have insight on clinicians in your community and can refer you. You can also talk to your child's school. There may be help available there. Finally, if you can't get an appointment right away, get on a waiting list. I'm Mandy Gaither.